Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be changing front brake pads and rotors on this 1998 Toyota Camry. So let's get straight to it. You don't necessarily have to remove the covers, but you probably will for easier accessibility. Let's see if I can do it without removing the cover. Because the lug nuts, you can easily access them from the holes. Voila, there you go. No need to remove the cover. Alright, let's get straight to it. Alright, we are here. So, first thing I'm going to do is use this as levers to push the stupid brake piston back in place. And no, you don't have to open up the brake line to push it. You just need some leverage. Make sure you're using a really good pry bar or a very thick screwdriver. Obviously a flathead. Now you're going to be taking your 14 millimeter, taking these off. Okay, so that one's stuck. Alright, so I got a vice grip over here. Keep in mind that you might need one. Somebody fucked this up. 1000%. Now I'm the one that's gonna have to deal with it. Okay, so unfortunately the kit that I bought doesn't come with brand new hardware, but it's okay, we can use the old one. Alright, so we're gonna take the 17 millimeter socket. Alright, this is the brand new rotor out of the box. And you know damn well that you can't just put it on right away. You gotta clean it from all the anti-rust preservatives and oils they fucking spray it with. You can even smell it too. This is brake cleaner, by the way. Good enough. Okay. Take this. This goes in the back, the one that has the brake pad wear indicator. Okay. Good. All right, now we're gonna use the pad pushers. I call them pushers. I don't care what you call them, but that's what I call them. I think I stepped on this one and I bent it, but who cares? This goes like that. All right. Nose on the bottom. Hopefully it doesn't give me a problem now. Damn it, I think it will. Just gonna use this instead of the impact. All right. Okay. Okay, I'm not going to tighten it more than that because I know it's not going to come off anyways. Okay, good. Alright, so went ahead and put the wheel. You want to be super careful with these. Alright, doesn't want to listen. Okay, that is it. Now we're gonna go ahead and drop the car. Alright, now the next thing we want to do is open the car. The handle on the outside is fucked up, so she did buy a new handle, in fact. I'm gonna see if I can install it. Alright, so we're gonna turn it on, and we're gonna press the brake pedal all the way until it stiffens up. It should be soft at first, and then it should stiffen up after. It is stiff now, so we're basically done. So there should be a procedure, or you should go through a procedure of bedding in your brake rotors. The way that this works is that you go about 60 miles an hour and you brake hardly to 30 miles an hour. You got to do that about 3 times. And then from 50 miles an hour to 20 miles an hour, you brake moderately 3 times. And then after you're done with that, you drive for about 20 minutes until you cool down the brakes. Make sure you're not stopping completely throughout the entire procedure, because it might warp the brakes. So maybe do this at night or at a not very busy neighborhood or area. But other than that, thank you so much, and I see you later.